Ah, Christmas is the time of year for giving and getting cool stuff. What if I were to tell you that that's not always the case? Hello, my name is Morton, and today I'm going to be telling you a story about a sad man who didn't get anything. Because literally no one liked him. Let's go to where the story started, shall we?
That was a pretty good sleep. Wait, people are opening presents already? Why are you doing that, guys? Why didn't you wait for me?
Oh, hey, Lemonade.
Where's my present?
Oh, hey, you don't...
Oh,
Yeah.
no, you don't got one, buddy.
What the do you mean?
Well, basically, no one likes you.
I'm not gonna allow this to happen. I will steal all your presents. They'll never suspect that thing.
Buddy, you just told us you're gonna steal all our presents.
What?
Now you're...
No, that was me. I was just joking. You're a mean one, Lemonade. You shove pickles up your butt. We know people say that you're a fool, but you are super duper cool. Lemonade.
And so, I think the best thing we can take away from this wonderful, majestic Christmas story is that maybe sometimes in life, you suck.
You're a mean one, Lemonade. You shove pickles up your butt. We know people say that you're a fool, but you are super duper cool. Lemonade! Lemonade! You smell stinky. Lemonade. Hey! Haha, I made fun of you. No one likes you in the fridge, 'cause no one can match your wrist, Lemonade.